All right, so we looked at BEDMAS equations with exponents. And we practiced just following the order of BEDMAS, except now we do have exponents within our order, so it can get a little bit confusing. So we start with the B, and B stands for brackets. So we look for any brackets, and we're going to put a rectangle around them to signify that that's what we're going to do first. All right, so we have brackets there, and we have a bracket here. So whatever's inside of the brackets is what we have to complete first. Now, in this bracket, there's actually more going on. There's an order of operations. So now within the bracket, we still have to follow the same order. So within the bracket, we've got subtraction and we've also got exponents, which means we have to do the exponents first. So we're going to do 4 squared first. Well, 4 squared means a number times itself, which is 16. And then I'm going to rewrite everything else inside the brackets because I'm still not done solving. All right, now I'm still inside the brackets, and I'm going to go negative 15 minus 16. Well, whenever we're subtracting, we're going to turn that into a positive, and we change the sign of the number behind it. So we have negative 15 plus negative 16. In total, we have 31 negatives. So now that inside of the brackets part just became negative 31. And now I'm going to rewrite this whole equation with that new answer in the rectangle. So we got negative 2, negative 31 plus 4, bracket 2 plus 3 to the exponent 3. And then we notice we still have a bracket we actually need to solve in. So this bracket around the negative 31, that's just to show that that 31 is negative. But here, we're going to box that out. That's actually something we have to solve. So 2 plus 3 is going to equal 5. And then we're going to rewrite everything again that's outside of the brackets. All right. Now, if we look at our equation, we're almost done here. We finished with all of the brackets. So up at the top, we can cancel out. We're done with brackets. Next up is exponents. And we do actually have exponents here. So we've got 5 to the exponent 3, which means 5 times 5 times 5. Which would be 25 times 5. That's going to give us 125. So now when I put that through, I'm going to rewrite everything else. Negative 2, bracket negative 31, plus 4, and then bracket, we have 125. Now we're very close, and we talked about if we have two numbers beside each other and there's no operation between them, there's actually a little mini multiplication symbol. So if I rewrite it, negative 2 times negative 31 plus 4 times 125. And so now I go through and I have multiplication, and I have multiplication here, which means those are the first things I have to do before I do my addition. So I'm going to do negative 21 times negative 31. That's going to give us 62. And a negative times a negative is positive, so it becomes positive 62. And then we also have a multiplication here, which we have to do next. 4 times 125. So we get 500 here. And then we're going to rewrite everything else. We got an addition sign in the middle. So now we have 62 plus 500. Well, our answer is going to be 562. And that would be the final answer.